Hey, greetings from Texas. All right, we're back into Campground and we are getting ready to grill up some squid. So I marinated it last night. Okay, here's our squid. We're gonna marinate it overnight using the Japanese barbecue sauce I use for the frog legs. And this time we're gonna add some Korean gochujang. This is a red pepper paste. And I'll mix it together and I'll show you what we're gonna do. Here's calamari. It's semi-frozen. It's gonna thaw out quick in that marinade. All right, now these are already cleaned. So all you have to do is pull the tentacles out and you're good to go. Okay, they're all rinsed and separated. Well, let's get our fire going. We have fatwood shavings. Everything out here is kind of wet. And then we have our haystacks and charcoal. All right, we have our squid all marinated. Had some leftover onion. We got some cucumber. We're going to make kind of a dipping sauce slash salad. We got a tomato. We got a red chili pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, or 3 cloves of garlic, some lime juice, and as a side we have these smoky barbecue beans, which I'm going to heat up in a canteen cup. So let's prep our ingredients. All right, we're looking done. Let's go ahead and take some of this off. All right, there we go. Let's plate everything up. right, here's our calamari. That's good. My favorite part, the tentacles. Alone, you have the taste of the soy, a little sweetness from the sauce, and the red pepper. Flavor from the red pepper, no heat. This has heat here. All right, let's try some of these beans. They're okay. We have our salad. That's good too, nice and refreshing. I love calamari. This is just another food that people fry, but it is great on the grill. All right, folks, I'm gonna finish my lunch as usual. I appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.